Today's adventure would take us back to the Phillips Loop Trail. This is an excellent trail if you really want to get out, test your vehicle, meet great people, and most of all, have lots of fun. I went on this trail run with the great team from John's Adventuring and some other great people that you will see later on in this video. When I first arrived at the trail and met John, who by the way is one of the coolest people you will ever meet, we decided that with the amount of vehicles and the different types of vehicles, it would be best to split the group into two. John decided to take the group consisting mainly of crossovers and a few body-on-frame rigs. This is John's group departing for the trailhead. The group that I led consisted of these amazing rigs, which we will get much more into later. Full disclosure, I did not intend on leading a group when I arrived that day, especially with it being my first time leading. With that said, sometimes we got turned around. And when I say turned around, more than once. Even though I was running Gaia and had run this trail before, it's very easy to lose your way and end up on the side trail and having to turn around to get back onto the main trail. The beauty of it is that this is all a part of the adventure. The reasons why we build these rigs, the reasons why we get out there. Without further ado, let's enjoy this trail run.
There's nothing we can do. You've become me and I've become you in this story. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. The final hour before we let it go to rest. And in our story, in the story, if you make no promise, there's no regret. It's over by the time you finish your cigarette. We're so into blue skies, but we don't hear the thunder. We're dreaming about the past, but going under. We're going under. All for the better, we turn and walk away. All for the better, at least that's what they say. And now it's over. And now it's over. Wish we had done this. Wish we had done that. Wait another minute and you're just a silhouette.
the dog in the back. Look at the dog. You got that petrified.
Wish we had done this. Wish we had done that. Wait another minute and you're just a silhouette. So in the blue skies, if we don't hear the thunder, dreaming about the past, but going on.
Notice how the terrain changes in this part of the trail. Phillips Loop gives something to offer for every rig. This part of the trail begins to get very technical.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Oh, you're good.
Slowly, there's your drop, there's your drop. You're gonna come back up.
keep coming. Slow, slow, slow. You got slow, 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 slow. You got slow, 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 slow. All right. Keep it slow, keep it slow. You're gonna drop in about 7 feet on the back right. Keep coming. Keep coming, yeah, keep coming. Slow, 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 slow. You're gonna drop in less than a foot. Come on, ease off and hold the brake. Ease, 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 slow, 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 slow. Ooh. You're good.
Stop, 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 slower, slower, slower. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Alright, clear. Okay. Rear should come down 6 inches.
Nope.
Maybe. Go real slow like you did in front.
Look at me, I got you.
Oh, you're within a centimeter of it.
Slow, slow, slow. Good job. They got you for the next one. Oof. Good job.
Alright guys, I'm Chris. This is my Land Cruiser, aka the Land Trooper. Slight mods so far, 2-inch Ironman lift, XD wheels, 31-inch tires. Yes, she missed leg day. Custom built dual battery system, aided by my 95-watt solar panel. Custom front bumper, Ironman winch, Ironman snorkel. Got my Go FSR tent up there on my front runner rack. My bumper is outfitted with all Baja design lights. It's built and designed for these lights. Then at the back I've got AOE 4x4 tire carrier and jerry can holder. Takes a good slam. I slammed it today. And she's still straight. Awesome. Trasher because Subaru, and that's it.
4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium. I have it listed on iBox Pro truck kits and the iBox load leveling system in the rear, so I can raise it up and down. And it's wrapped in Wild Peak 18.3Ws, 285 7017, and that's Adobe roof pack. Big 4x4 sliders, lights upgraded to HID LEDs, the usual. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.
Alright, so my name's Peter. This is my 4th gen 2005 V8 4Runner Sport Edition. She's sitting on, our IG, Runner Peru, RNR 4 ROO. So she's sitting on 33s. They're Falcon Wild Peaks, and they're on some black Rhino, I believe they're Roku wheels. For suspension, we're looking at some Freedom upper control arms in and then Old Man Emu, I think they're like 885 springs, and then Dobinson's MRA adjustables for the front and the rear. I've got an LFD front skid, an RCI rear skid, and I think that's pretty much it in terms of mods. I've just been kind of doing maintenance work on this car.
That's it, 2018 Toyota Tacoma. I have the 35s on it, 2.5 King Shocks. We have the brute force fog here and the RCI skid plates. And I think that's about it. I have a 2.5 lift on it. And I have the RTT soft top, 20 awning, and the SES wheels, Ray-Tens. Alright, good stuff, man.
6-inch lift, 37-inch stick tires. It's got front and rear axle trusses, automatic lockers, front and rear. Got the soft top on there. Fun.
Alright. Thank you.
I'd like to thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. With all that's going on in the world right now, I hope, wish, and pray for your health and safety. Lex Vader, out.
After years with the blues, oh, you know